Meditation I. Welcome to another video in our Meditation in Daily Life, Practical Applications series. Today, we are going to continue our exploration of how to transform your commute into a time of tranquility and mindfulness. Commuting is a necessary part of many people's daily routines. Whether you're driving, walking, or using public transportation, it can often be a source of stress and frustration. However, it can also be an opportunity to practice mindfulness and meditation. Imagine this. 5 years ago, a person lived the epitome of a stressful and long commute, spending over an hour to commute less than 2 miles from their apartment through a stampede of thousands of office workers. The intensity of the commute was exacerbated by the dog-eat-dog nature of the job. Arriving in top shape wasn't an option, it was a necessity. One day during a particularly brutal bus gridlock, they plugged in their headphones and turned on a Metta meditation. The centering compassion transformed their mind-body experience to one of peace and acceptance. Meditating during your commute can be a powerful tool to bring you home to yourself in the moment, with after effects that last throughout the day. It can help to alleviate physical, mental, and internal stressors, helping you arrive fully at work or home at the end of the day. The Scandinavian Journal of Economics found that individuals will often accept a job with a longer commute in pursuit of more economic opportunity, resulting in higher pay but lower overall well-being. Each additional minute of a commute can mean an increase in eventual health problems for long-distance commuters, Scientific American found in a 2005 article summarizing finds from several studies. A longer commute means less sleep, more stress, and less time spent with loved ones and on self-care. Meditation can be a powerful antidote to the stressors of a long commute. Its centering effects can help us to arrive at home or the office calm and aware of our surroundings. If practiced regularly, you can learn to focus your attention, choose how you respond to stressful situations, and engage with your mind, body, the environment, and people with equanimity. Safety is paramount. We always recommend ensuring that you feel safe in your surroundings before attempting to meditate during your commute, especially if you are meditating with the eyes closed. And of course, you shouldn't meditate while driving or cycling. Meditating while commuting is best done while on trains that allow you at least a few minutes of relatively undisturbed time. Here are 3 ways to incorporate meditation into your long commute. While driving, mindfulness is possible, but one should always be in full control of the vehicle with a strong sense of situational awareness. On public transportation, a deliberate way to change a stressful public transportation commute is by practicing feeling more connected to others, not less. The practice of Metta, or loving-kindness meditation, is an ancient Buddhist practice to cultivate the heart. It grows qualities like kindness, compassion, and love for ourselves and other people. In conclusion, a meditation practice during your long commute can help you arrive calm, centered, and relaxed to a stressful workday. Imbuing meditation during these 2 important times will have a positive ripple effect across your experience of life. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical applications of meditation in your daily life.